Hey, beautiful souls, and welcome to the official yoga page of Forestri Health. I'm Jasmine, and today we will be going over prayer pose and reverse prayer pose. Prayer pose is a perfect beginner pose because it helps you with your alignment and your body posture. It also relaxes the mind and soul and brings awareness to the body. So if you're new to yoga and want to learn the basics before jumping in, this is a good video for you. So let's begin. So you're going to start standing straight up with your feet parallel to each other and looking straight ahead. Relax your shoulders and roll them back and down. Then clasp your hands together and bring them up to your heart. And we're going to hold this pose for 1 minute. Beautiful. And that is how you do prayer pose. Now we are going to move on to reverse prayer pose. This is the same pose we learned, but instead of holding your arms in front of your heart, you're going to clasp them behind your back. Reverse prayer pose will give you a little bit of a challenge, but the benefits are worth it. Reverse prayer pose helps stretch out your wrists, shoulders, and opens up your chest. The shoulder movement can help you breathe better and loosen up any tight shoulder muscles. It can also help you relieve stress that you may be carrying in your upper body. So let's begin. To start, stand straight up and look forward. Bring your legs and feet together about 1 to 2 inches apart and let your hands hang by your sides. Then you're going to slightly bend at the knees and begin to bring your arms behind your back. Bring your palms together but keep them facing down. Now, on your next inhale, turn your fingers towards your spine to rotate the palms up towards the sky. Then slowly bring them up your back until you feel comfortable. A nice way to keep your posture is to push your elbows backwards and to not cave them in forwards. This is going to help you keep that posture and feel more comfortable in the pose. Now we're going to hold this pose for 1 minute and remember to keep breathing. Beautiful. Now to get out of the pose, slide your hands down your back and then rotate your fingers towards your bottom and then release your hands to your sides. And that is how you do reverse prayer pose.